Take a dab. I hit the pavement so damn hard, walk it off and scrape the scab. Bitches wanna talk, yeah, bitches wanna talk, but they never gonna pay me back. They be thinking I'm rolling in riches. I just have a weakness for all of her features. The reason I blow it on bitches, I'm telling you, listen to vicious mistakes, and I'm hoping the difference is paid. Cause it is so crazy if you were my lady, make love to you every day. I'm telling you, losing's not an option. There ain't no way that you can stop it. There's not a single man to rock it. Let go of all the pain forgotten. How deep I get when I be smoking. All this weed is way too potent, and all the lyrics that I have been spitting becoming the reasons I was chosen to be the one that's gonna make it. Spit so hard and never break it. Never thought I'd be the one to shake this rap game or be the one to make it. I thank God, cause I'm so grateful. And while everybody's dying, I'm just trying to be faithful. Why so hateful? Yeah, everything is alright. Yeah, my head's up in the clouds, but everything is alright. Choose to be the spitting too usually. Too damn stacked, Mickey D's never choose a beef. I write fast, burn a fat L, lose a leaf. And any one of you stupid bitches I do defeat. And sit back and relax as I'm getting stacks. All of you lazy bitches, you better fucking choose a seat. I'm too sick, as a matter of fact, you can't react. I gotta get hot, I'm supposed to be losing heat. And I'ma keep sipping till the damn room spinning. Sitting and grinning and waging war in the hall of alcohol. I hate it cause the liquor is winning. And I'ma keep sinning. Bad girls always make good women. Hope I catch that girl in the linen so we can't get bad, make some bad decisions. Good girls always keep all that shit hidden. I say fuck that, keep my world intact, on track with the life I'm living. You think I lose track, better watch your back. I'm a one-man team, free living. Anybody could attack with a baseball bat and I'd still be the one that's winning. Look at me, I'm killing. Chillin' with homies, I'm telling you, girl, when you are home alone, please just send me a text with an address so we can just have sex or pass it, cause you are so glowing. I'm telling you, look at the money I'm blowing, not doing it for me, I do it for you. I simply adore you, I wanna make sure that you know when I tell you I love you, it's true. Baby, the shit that I be going through, only to call you my own I could hog. Know that you thinking of me as your puppy, but I will still fight for you like I'm a dog. And my head's caught in the fog, but everything is alright, yeah. My head is in the clouds, but everything is alright, yeah. Hold up, let me get my mind right. Let me get my mind right. You know everything is alright, yeah.